chicken nuggets. Why risk your life and go buy them frozen when you can make them at home? And also because it's quarantine. For this, we will be needing 1 cup of minced chicken, half cup of breadcrumbs, half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. For the coating, we are going to be needing breadcrumbs, flour, and egg. I'm using these orange breadcrumbs, but if you do not have them at home, you can take normal breadcrumbs and put food coloring or zerdarang in it. I'm gonna start by taking 1 cup of my minced chicken out. Okay, so let's pour some of it. And then half cup of breadcrumbs. Half teaspoon of our garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm just gonna mix this. Now that this has come together as one, I'm gonna take some of this dough and I'm just going to keep it here and press it down. And I'm just going to cut the sides off. And just gonna keep this aside. There you have it. Okay, now what we're gonna do is I'm going to put this in flour, just dip it, then egg. I'm gonna use my other hand for egg, and then the orange breadcrumbs. I'm using 1 hand for wet and 1 hand for dry so that they don't stick. Okay, now I'm just gonna do this with the rest of my dough. And there you have it, your chicken nugget ready to fry. There you have it, your donut, breadstick, nuggets, and cheese stick are ready. And they look awesome, but we can't eat them now because iftari hasn't happened yet. And if you guys like this recipe, tell me in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!